them and we hang them up on the Christmas tree.
Have you done the it's a frying pans and you put them in peanut butter and you cover them with bird food?
No, that sounds...
Yeah, I do that. I don't do it anymore. My mom used to have us do that. If you put the peanut butter on the frying pan and you roll them with bird food.
That is so cool.
And it's super easy.
That is awesome. I'm going to try that this week.
And the birds actually.
Isn't that neat, right? So far?
Yeah.
Like,
I think that's gonna be the craziest.
that would be
thing.
awesome.
Yeah, I want to go cliff jumping so bad.
I haven't done, I've been wanting to skydive.
That's the only thing I do not want to do, skydive.
I definitely want to try.